So for the first step, I'm applying Elegant Pro Concealer, and I'm gonna again, I'm taking the shade Latte and I'm blending tip of my Forever 21 makeup sponge. Then I'm taking Elegant Pro Concealer and applying it on the highest points of my face, and I'm gonna blend this all out with my flat top kabuki brush. Next, I'm taking Lakme 95 Compact Powder, and I'm gonna apply this all over my face to set my base. Now coming back to my eye makeup again, I'm taking the shade Winning, and I'm gonna apply this on my lower lash line. Give some dimension to my face, and for that I'm taking Wet n Wild contour palette and taking that contour shade. I'm gonna And for my lips, I'm taking L'Oreal Rouge Matte Lipstick in the shade I Choose. बट मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि ये शेड थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा पिंक हो चुका है पूरे मेकअप लुक के लिए, तो मैंने ब्लू हेवन कैरमल कट लगाई और आई गेस वो और लाइट हो गया. आई गेस मुझे थोड़ा सा और न्यूट्रल शेड लगाना चाहिए था, बट दैट्स ओके. So yes guys, this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.